Hey everybody, I just want to give you an introduction for the second module for class. The first module we just looked at how to navigate the class, kind of the basics of taking an online course. Some of you hopefully have used Canvas before, so this is pretty simple for you, but that's basically what we covered last week, how to set up your preferences, how to be contacted, how the gradebook works, that kind of stuff. This week we're going to get into the good stuff. So we're going to have a little bit of an overview of things and kind of get the big picture for what we're doing in a physical education class. There's some objectives that we have this week. We want you to be able to justify the need for a quality physical education program based on health benefits. We want you to be able to cite the national standards for physical education. We want you to be able to identify the essential components of a quality PE program. So there's different ways that we're gonna put this together. There's some videos here, and I just went to modules to get to this page. So to see this, just click on the modules button. It is right there, and that'll bring you to this page. This is how you'll navigate everything. So we're right here with the intro. There's some videos on why physical education is important. I do a lecture based on the health benefits specifically of physical education. The way that we're going to assess you is you're going to write an essay. So there's an essay here. I give you a little extra time to do the essay. So there's some videos about the need for physical education. You have the lecture that I do. There's a sample essay here. This is a five paragraph essay, just like you would have done in English 1 class. There's a worksheet here you can download to help you put together your essay. If you're on one of our campuses, especially if you're on the Raymond campus, you can go visit the Writing Center in our library, and they can help you work on your essay. You can take it to them and set up an appointment. But that's a great tool if you're on the Raymond campus. There are 2 assignments that are connected to these. So there's the national standards for physical education, and then there's an assignment to test you on those. And there's a lecture on the components of a quality physical education program, and then there is an assignment based on those. Here is a case study. In the case study, you're going to be given a scenario that you may face, that you'll very likely face in an elementary PE class. And this is one where students are struggling with push-ups or sit-ups. And you'll need to describe how you can modify those exercises to help the students be more successful. So you can use the internet, certainly use the internet as a resource to help you do that, but come up with some exercises that are easier than push-ups or easier than sit-ups. They're working the same muscle groups, but there's something that where the students can be more successful. You'll always have to, during the fitness portion of a PE class, you'll always need to be able to have variety in the exercises, because students' strength levels are going to be different, their stamina levels are going to be different. So you need a variety of exercises that you could give different students that meet them at the level where they are. The last part is the discussion. In this discussion, you're just going to share with the class your history in PE. What was PE like when you were in elementary school? And you'll just kind of tell your story of what PE was like, and you'll also respond to a classmate's post. Good luck with everything this week. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be glad to help you out.